Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a unique and meme coin. From this coin you can get a very big profit in future. So without wasting our time we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notifications. So simply we can go to the website. As you can see, the website was open. Xero is the name of this project, and the link of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join it. So I will tell you each and everything about this project, how it's work and how you can buy it and get profitable. So as you can see, it's a cute Korean pet, and you can buy it from this exchange or this website. I will share with you the detail about this project in the description of the video. You can simply go and then be the member of this project. As you can see, the detail was available, social media accounts, and the contract address of this platform was also showing on screen, as you can see, and multiple things you can see in this website. And must read the detail to know about this project. And you can also see a white paper I will share with you. As you can see, the detail of white paper was on screen, and must read it to know about the overview, vision, core values, tokenomics, roadmap, and conclusion. Each and everything was available in this white paper. As you can see, overview was available. It's just not another meme coin. Our vision is to expand the funny and heartwarming daily life of Jumanju dog through AI power storytelling, build a new digital culture that the global community can enjoy and grow together. So as you can see, the overview of this project and vision, core values, tokenomics was also showing on screen. As you can see, total supply of this coin was on screen, that is 997.71 million. Roadmap was also available. It's a very important part because it tell you about how much thing was developed in this project. And upcoming events detail was also available in this roadmap, so must read it. And this is the conclusion of this project. So must invest your assets in this platform to get more profitable and get more information and more profit from this platform. So hopefully you will understand the detail of this project. And some Korean posters was also available. You can must read it and then play it to know about more detail about this project. It's a meme coin, as you can see on screen, and it's give you a big profit. Now I will tell you how you can purchase it. It's a very simple method to buy it. I will share with you. Simply click on it and you can buy it. It's a Radium exchange. I will share with you. As you can see, Radium was open and Hexero coin was available. Simply I confirm it and then it will be showing on screen. As you can see, it will be confirmed, and the current price and detail was also showing here. And you can simply connect your wallet, which one you have. As you can see on screen, multiple wallet opportunities was available. So connect your wallet and then you can easily swap it and buy this coin, and it's give you a very big profit. As you can see, the current price of this coin was showing on screen. It's a Solana based project, and you can see if you want to swap with Sol coin, you have an option. And if you have another currency, so you also swap from this. So it's a very simple and easy process to buy it, and it's a good time to be the member of this project and get a big profit in future. So hope you will understand how you can buy it. And multiple exchanges they're coming soon. List this coin, and it's growing very fastly, so must join it. So it's a totally safe project, and like other meme coin, it's also grow and give you a big profit. And also join the social media accounts to know about the detail of this project. I will share with you. As you can see, the Twitter account of this project, must follow it for latest updates and news. As you can see, latest announcements detail was also sharing here, and you can also get a big profit. So must read the detail and also join the social media account to know about latest updates and news about the project. So these are the main detail of this project. Hopefully you will understand how it's work and how you can buy it. And it's a unique project and give you a big reward. Must read the detail and then be the member of this project. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel, press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meeting next